So about 800 meters from the cabin through a bush track, which we've made drivable. All the tracks we've tried to make wide enough to fit a car through. But this is the original dam that was on here when we bought it. Now I had some problem with this one not filling when it rained. It was bypassing it and going straight down to the creek where the overflow was meant to go. So I got in here with the tractor before the last lot of rain and just did a quick trench just to direct it past that overflow, and it worked. So it's overflowing properly now and it's full, which is nice to see. So this is the original dam. Decent sized dam. A heap of lilies, heap of frogs in here, a couple of turtles, and the creek has eels, so I'm guessing there's probably an eel or two in here as well, maybe. Haven't seen any yet, but I'm not going swimming in there. So now that we've had some rain, all the reeds and native lilies and grasses are all starting to come back. And this one, the overflow heads down beside the path down to the creek. It's quite close, probably 100 meters to the boundary, but then about a k the other way to the boundary down to the creek. There's actually a beehive in one of the dead trees on this one. See up there, that tree. In the fork of that, there's a massive beehive. There's constantly a huge amount of bees going in, and they're always drinking from this dam. So if that ever falls down, definitely rating that one for honey. May even try and put an empty hive near it and see what happens.